do you want to play with? The bees in our farm need more space. Let's build another hive for them. Drag the hive parts to the correct contours. Keep it up. Don't stop. Ready. Our bees need flower nectar to make honey. Pour fertilizer from the sac onto the sprouts to make the flowers grow. Keep it up. Keep it up. That's all. Our bees have collected the nectar. They're already making honey from it. Grab a jug and use it to catch the honey drops. We did it! You're doing really great. That's all. The ducks have been swimming in the lake for a long time and are hungry now. Let's feed them. Throw food from the sack to the ducks. We did it! Done! We have some little ducklings hatched out. Let's prepare a warm nest for them. Pull straw and rags into the box. We did it! That's all. The ducks are sated and ready to lay eggs. Collect them in the basket. Keep it up. We did it! That's all. The ducks decided to go for a walk in the yard. Let's collect their feathers in a basket. Keep it up. Ready. We've collected enough feathers to make some pillows. Drag the feathers from the basket into the pillow tick. Great! Let's decorate our pillow. Drag the pillow. Amazing! decorate our pillow. Drag the pillowcase. You're doing really great. Great, done. Meet Molly the cat. She loves to play, but needs care. Take it home and brush her tangled hair. We have mice on the farm. Help Molly catch them. Tap on the mice before they hide. But they're running away and hiding all the time. Tap on the objects to find the kittens and bring them back to their mom. Keep it up. Keep it up. Done! Molly decided to play with balls and got tangled. Help her get free. Pull the threads. That's all. Are hungry. They like to eat fresh grass. To make the grass grow, pour some grains from a sack onto the seedbed. Keep up the good work. Don't stop. Love to be fancy. Let's help them do that. Drag and drop the sheep on the decorations they like. Dolly the sheep. She was walking around and got dirty. Let's give her a bath. Soap her fur. Well done. Now let's wash the soap off with water. Now Dolly's clean and dry. Let's give her a haircut. Slide the hair trimmer over the Well done! Now spin the spinner to make threads. Ready. Now we have lots of colorful threads. Let's knit some nice warm things. Drag the threads to the outline. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Don't stop. You're doing really great. Don't stop. That's all. Meet Jacob the donkey. Let's feed him. Drag the food he wants into the feeder. Let's help Jacob drag the grapes into the basket on his back. Hooray! Now drag the grapes into the barrel. Ready. Hooray! We made a fair on our farm. Jacob will entertain kids with riding. Put them on the donkey's back. This is Duke the ox. Let's help him plow the field. Tap on Duke so that Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Our field is plowed. That's all that's left to sow. Drag the seeds from the sack to the beds. We've grown our harvest. Now let's deliver it to market. Drag the sacks. Our Duke is on the way. Here we are. Drag our harvest onto the counter. Hooray! Done! Duke has worked very hard and got tired. Let's make him a comfortable bed. Drag the hay from the cart to the stable. That's all. a cat. She loves to play, but needs care. Take a comb and the ducks have been swimming in the lake for a long